Hey guys, my name is, I'm just going to do a video of you. Hey guys, my name is Oshun the Great, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm going to just do a reading for the lunar eclipse happening today. I do have a tarot sale for $10 going on all day in honor of the lunar eclipse. So if you guys want to book a reading with me, by all means just check out the detail box below. You can email me, Instagram me, whatever. Instagram is Oshun_the_great. Alright, so we're gonna get into the channeled message that's in store for you guys this eclipse. Alright, so a lot of you guys are going through tremendous change. A lot of times the eclipse can be considered something considered as the ending of a cycle and the beginning of something new. So when I pulled the card on this earlier on Instagram, it was saying that we could be dealing with a lot of snake energy, which is basically shedding your old skin, your old ideals, your old limiting beliefs. So anything, it's kind of like a rebirth. A lot of you guys are going to be like the phoenix, dying and being reborn again, spiritually, mentally, physically. So this is a good new beginning, a time to do cleanses. So a time to basically go on any cleanse your body. You can do that by fasting today, by drinking lots of water, by you know, making water fusions, eating healthy, eating light, things of that nature. But think of cleansing your mind, body, and soul. So taking solitude, time out from people, cutting toxic people from your life, all of that. Alright, so this is about, again, getting rest. Some of you guys need to make sure you meditate, do all you can to concentrate on your higher self. So get all the rest you need. Today isn't about really working hard, but more so getting rest, coming back in alignment with the universe, nature, and to your true self. A lot of you guys are going to be challenged to get back to your roots. A lot of synchronicities this week is going to be like about Africa and things reminding you to get back centered and to try to explore and venture out to find truth. And some of you guys, that could be places such as Africa or wherever you feel drawn to at this time. So a lot of truth seeking is going on. Alright. Oh, pull two. Alright, so this is about keeping focus on your dreams. A lot of you guys have been working hard and diligently, and you will reap the rewards. So in this cycle, at the ending of this cycle, a lot of you guys could be ending poverty. You could be getting rich and wealthy all of a sudden. You know, being gifted with removing energetic blocks sexually, money-wise. So anything you've been struggling with, again, that snake's energy is going to be peeled. Anything that has been physical ailments, any of that can be coming to an end now. Alright, so this ensures you that your angels, you could be feeling very wacky at this time, especially if you're a light worker or empath. So take it easy. Your guides are, again, they're stressing rest, but they're carrying you through this wacky time. Listen to any messages you get. So if you feel called to study abroad or, you know, be a light worker online, by all means do so. So the last card is about being an alchemist. So honoring yourself and who you are and owning your power. And a lot of you guys need to think of things that make you feel like an alchemist. Sometimes that's working with metals, wearing certain rings, stuff that make you feel powerful, clothing, new hairstyles, tattoos, whatever. Don't sleep on how we present ourselves on the physical realm, because we are alchemists. Some of you guys are really warriors that needs to be leaders for people at this time. So be dope, be you unapologetically. Book a reading with me today for just $10 via Cashapp. But yeah, be dope, you unapologetically. Peace.